All right, so very good morning to all of you. Today I have with me Dhara, and we are here to talk about the importance of reading. How important the reading is. Reading is basically a very rich habit. You can talk about every rich person endorse the reading habit. It has contributed a lot in the success. So, what do you think about reading is actually that makes a difference in the life, and what are the implication and importance of reading in your life personally?
Reading is very important part in our daily life because reading gives us writing skills and our spellings better and it gives you stress your stress is decreased by reading and your anxiety decreasing by reading. Reading gives you sleep better. And uh, reading is very important, very crucial role in our daily life. It it enhancing our knowledge and broadening our mind, and they gives us fresh ideas to think, and they gives us very emotional intelligence. So,
According to this habit, like this reading habit is a very nicest habit, and there are many surveys and there are many researches have been done on that. Reading that actually reduces your stress, and that has a lot of benefit in the life of the student and in the life of everybody. See, after the college your life does not end. After the college your actual life that starts. So how much you grow in life, it depends upon your reading portion. Although I just want to know about it, reading is very important, and you said similarly writing and speaking too. But what you speak, what you write, necessary what you read. So but today when we talk about reading, this is considered to be a very crucial habit, but student especially and people, they do find the reading is very boring habit. What is your take in this? Reading is actually boring or it is interesting?
According to me, reading it's a fun, and reading it gives it increase our communication skills and concentration skills. According to me, it's a fun. We reading us and reading of the books, magazines, newspapers. We make us best friend to the reading books, and they don't leave us alone. So according to me, reading is a fun fact.
There is a quotation which is said, books are the good friends of human, right? Book never lies and it is always there with you. But talking about the books and the reading, see, we have a lot of content. When you go through the internet, there are many websites, social media, we have enough content to read. But reading sometimes that can increase your stress. So what you are reading, it is important. So what sort of the content we should read as a student? What is the portion of the reading we should bring in our life so that we can increase the productivity of our study? What should we read?
We reading books, they it gives our it's a reason to our successful life, and it grow us healthy, and if we are reading the books, so our mind is very calm and relaxable, and we control our mind wisely, and
I think if we categorize the book, you suggested the book reading is very effective habit. What book should be read? I think the book self-help books or the textbook. Is there anything which in your textbook you find is very interesting? History, geography, or any of your subject textbook related?
According to me, we should read the books and we should read the history books and we also read the self-made books.
Self-help books are very important to grow in the life. Therefore, most of the successful people trainer they also suggest you to read the self-help book. I just want to know, like reading comes with a different fashion. Reading gives. The more you read, the more money that is credited into your account. Is that so? Reading is equals to money today. If you do not read, you do not have new thought. If you do not have new thought, new knowledge, or the inspiration, you cannot progress in the life. So, if anybody who reads the book, is it a guarantee a person who can succeed in life? What do you think?
Yes, according to me, if we are reading the books and some books, so we are success in our life because reading is a fun fact to our life and reading gives. Reading educated us also and reading is but through reading our writing skills is better and our communication skills and our concentration so it is important for a successful life.
You spoke about reading, agree with it. Reading is very important and similarly writing and speaking. But here is a contradictory question, how much we should read. We should read 15 minutes, we should read 2 hours, 3 hours. How much we should read in a day?
We should read the books in a day to 1 to 2 hours. It's enough.
Okay. If you are given an opportunity to be with the books, how much you can read?
I can read above 1 to 1.5 hours. So.
Okay, so this brings me to conclude and end of this discussion. This discussion was about the importance of reading. I think reading is one of the most crucial habit you can develop in your lifetime, and it will bring a lot of happiness and reduce the stress in the life. And reading brings new thought and the freshness in the life. Otherwise, like all the things which are repetitive in our life, so reading is very crucial. Every student, everyone should have this habit to change something in the life. Otherwise, everything is going on. Life can be boring. So, thank you very much. This was the discussion about the reading habit. Thanks a lot.